Are you a content creator, digital marketer, or agency owner looking for a better way to generate free traffic, get hot leads, and create multiple streams of income? Check this out. Michelle Gardner went from $38,000 in student loan debt to generating over $5 million from blogging. Her blog started as a hobby to document her journey toward financial freedom, but it quickly became much more than a hobby. Thanks to her blog, she was able to pay off $38,000 in student loans in 7 months. In less than 2 years, she was making $10,000 monthly, and her income continued to grow, earning her over $5 million over the years, all from blogging. This is just one of our examples. There's also a massive demand for freelancers and agencies to create niche blogs for clients loaded with relevant content in minutes and get paid $450 to $650 per blog. Plus, freelancers are raking in 5 to 6 figures selling SEO-optimized content for blogs from home right now. To this day, blogging is one of the best ways to create income online. Unfortunately, creating and managing a network of niche blogs the old-school way has always been extremely time-consuming and frustrating. That's because you'd have to constantly write and update content manually, deal with the technical issues of WordPress and other platforms, find and implement multiple monetization strategies, juggle various admin logins for different blogs, ensure your blog's security from cyber threats. In the days before AI, you could easily spend hours or even days managing a single blog. The good news is, gone are the days of struggling to manually update blogs regularly, facing low traffic, and battling security challenges on other platforms. And due to massive advances with artificial intelligence, you can easily drive hordes of free traffic and recurring income from auto blogs, or charge high-ticket fees for SEO-friendly blogs that Google loves to rank, without needing WordPress, technical skills, or SEO skills. Whether you're looking to create and manage blogs for yourself and create a $5 million online business from home like Michelle did, you want to manage blogs for others and charge high fees, or you like the idea of creating a network of high-ranking blogs that will generate recurring income while you sleep, we've got you covered with our brand new first-to-market app introducing Eblog AI. Eblog AI is the world's first AI-powered auto blogging and management tool that makes it easier than ever to create, manage, and deploy an army of high-quality niche auto blogs that get top rankings quickly so you can generate unlimited free traffic from multiple methods of monetization with no tech or design skills needed, ever. Eblog AI is 100% beginner-friendly, which means you don't need to bring anything to the table to jump right into the action. No WordPress is required. No hosting is needed. You don't need any technical experience. And you don't have to do any writing because Eblog AI is going to do all the heavy lifting for you when it comes to content creation. The content created by Eblog AI is human-like and exactly what Google is looking for. So your blogs rank in the search engines without any SEO or marketing experience. Plus, Eblog AI solves the big problem of blog hacking and hijacking with included automatic security features designed to safeguard your blogs from hackers and malware around the clock. This is the easiest tool in its class because you can easily deploy automatically updated blogs that rank fast in any niche with just a few clicks. There's no learning curve, and you can get started within minutes from right now. The first thing you'll notice is just how simple and intuitive this app really is. Eblog AI features a comprehensive and personalized dashboard for managing all of your auto blogs, posts, categories, tags, content, and settings in one centralized location. Quickly and easily make changes and edits to your niche auto blogs using our built-in blog editor tool that leverages a simple point-and-click interface. Because content creation is the biggest hurdle for most, Eblog AI features a human-like intelligent AI writer that completely automates your content creation. Because automation is the key to real freedom in your life, you can easily schedule posting days and set daily article post counts to publish controlled and consistent content that looks natural to search engines. With Eblog AI, you can easily match your blog to your brand with a dynamic theme builder. Customize every aspect to reflect your unique style, and even choose from a variety of custom presets to make your site stand out. And with the agency license upgrade, you can create auto blog networks for clients and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. In fact, we'll show you 6 powerful monetization methods inside that you can deploy today. Check out some examples of stunning auto blogs created with Eblog AI. Here's how Eblog AI works in just 4 steps. Step number 1, create one or multiple niche auto blogs with a few clicks. No design or writing required. Step number 2, deploy and manage your army of niche auto blogs from a centralized dashboard and enjoy top ranking and free traffic. Step number 3, rank at the top of the search engines automatically for unlimited free traffic. Step number 4, monetize your niche auto blogs dynamically using one or all of the many methods we'll show you inside, including a powerful high-ticket agency method. Eblog AI makes it easier than ever to give Google the top quality content it's looking for, so you can get top rankings that generate profits fast. With Eblog AI, you'll be able to automatically dig up profitable, easy-to-rank keywords in any niche you can think of right away. This makes it easy for you to quickly set up hundreds of monetized, super secure, content-focused sites with just a few clicks. Then, Eblog AI works around the clock to pull in a ton of free traffic that keeps coming back, making sales repeatedly. And you don't need to be a tech whiz to make it work. When you log in for the first time, you'll be pleasantly welcomed with a step-by-step guide to get you going with no learning curve, even if you're a total beginner. In fact, we've intentionally made Eblog AI the most intuitive tool ever released for creating niche blogs, managing multiple blogs, and easy monetization. After you get access to Eblog AI, you'll be able to get your first niche auto blog live within a few minutes from right now with no design, coding, writing, or online marketing skills required. When we say beginner friendly, we mean it. Of course, the best part about getting access to the Eblog AI is the special discounted pricing. Although the normal price for Eblog AI is $197 per month, when you get it during this special launch, you won't pay anywhere near that. We've reduced the price and eliminated the monthly fee, so you get access for a low, one-time price. To lock in your discount and get instant access to Eblog AI, click the button below now. But please, don't wait around. This is the lowest the price will ever be. And if you close this page and come back later, you could find yourself paying a lot more for access to Eblog AI. Although the discounted one-time price should be enough to jump on this now, we're going to make this even easier by giving you access to exclusive bonuses that will help you quickly boost your results with the Eblog AI platform. These bonuses are valued at $997 and only available for free when you get Eblog AI now. And because we don't want anything to stop you from getting your hands on the Eblog AI platform today, we're going to make it impossible for you to say no by giving you a full 30 days to make sure this is for you. That means you can use Eblog AI to quickly leverage the power of monetized blogs to generate traffic and profits without any technical skills or prior experience required. And if you change your mind for any reason over the next 30 days, all you have to do is let us know and we'll send you a refund. The only way you can lose is by not getting Eblog AI right now. If you like the idea of leveraging the power of AI to create, manage, and monetize multiple niche blogs with a few clicks of your mouse, then you owe it to yourself to get this today.